Hey y'all, it's boy Raven with Gekko, and today we just got a current phone in, at least that's what I think it is. Ship date was May 25th, 2022. It's £1, and we got it from FedEx. So let's unbox it. We'll unbag it, unpackage it. Kind of a lot to do here. You gotta I don't have any slice or dice, then switched my video quality from fine to high. Don't come in here, please. Alright, we're unboxing it right now. And so here's black box. This is mode on it, and it's an Android phone. Seal is tampered or broken with please verify contents before Android. Yes, y'all see. Mode phone 1. Package includes one handset, one built-in battery, one charger, one data cable, one stereo headset, one micro SD card, 32 gigs, a user manual, and one phone case. So, it says void underneath. I don't normally do unboxings like this, but you guys might enjoy it. I have another thing coming in the mail shortly. So this, let me show you opening it. Black box. Oh my gosh, guys. Here it is. The phone that actually pays you to use it. It kind of looks like the iPhone 14, how it's gonna look, because it has 4 cameras. Or the iPhone 15, almost. But yeah, it actually pays you to use it. Like $1,200 to use. And it also has SD card, 32 gigs. Yes, sir. Register at Mode Phone to get your exclusive referral link. Earn up to $40 for each referral, unlimited. Get a 200 bonus for 25 referrals and get a 25% when you refer a friend. Mode. And that's that. See, the power's in your hand. Let's set up your new phone to earn right away. Connect to Wi-Fi. Advanced system update. Go to Play Store. Current music. It's probably gonna be mode earn. Tap the earn as you go widget on the home screen. Register, log in to the current app. Claim the 4,000 bonus points in the earn as you go widget. Nice. User manual. The case, which is a clear case. I actually don't care for clear cases, but I'm not sure what other phone has this square little lens thing on it. Probably also came with a stylus. Oh. Yeah, I don't know what this little thing right here is for. This little thing is probably for a stylus or something. Oh no, I figured it out. It feels so nice in my hands, like... Yeah, the screen may be a little messed up. I guess this was pre-owned. But since the battery is in there already, we got the data cable and the charger. Figure out how to... So I got the case on there. Looks nice, don't it? Got the brick. Probably says mode on it. Or something. Cable. I think these are headphones. Like, why the hell would I need headphones? I don't know. So let's turn it on. Ooh. I'll probably put my SIM card in this one and just use the one that the phone I'm filming on as my backup. The only reason why I got this phone is because it's super cool. It's much bigger. And plus also it's a bit better. Has Android 11. Screen's a little wonky. That could be the way my camera shines on it. Just waiting for it to boot up. Y'all say that I don't need two phones? Well, guess what? I got one new one. I got one for my backup. Connect to mobile network. Yeah, I don't. Oh, okay. I think I... Here we go. Getting your phone ready. There's that little notch. I'm recording in portrait mode because that's the best way for this phone. Couldn't connect. I guess I'll just... Okay. Screen. 3, 2, 1. Look at the way it already has like the app installed, I guess. Twitch. It looks like it's a little brighter than this one. Oh, I love it. We are ready. Let's start. Oh, wait, I love this. Yeah, it's... It'd be nice if it automatically did, like, a picture. See how to... Yeah, learn as you go. Relax. Go settings. System update. Oh. Updates are temporarily unavailable. Yeah, because I'm not connected to the internet right now. When I do get connected, I'll probably add the video. Okay guys, that'll be all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe. If you guys want me to do maybe more videos like this. It's actually a pretty good, decent phone. It's much bigger, it's like the Note almost, but it pays you to use it. Anyway, that'll be all. Thank you all for watching. Smash that like button if you enjoyed and subscribe. Bye.